Ajipshore Lasop Chipola Kuboti, Zlengrong Youth Organization Nagaland, ZYON Kantu, ongoing agitation in connection with unresolved Pimla Mother Hatsakarni, demand Krugena Khara Krithakia, Alak notice, serve Nokratakti, suspended Krithakibokoina, decision Rakilo Shikoasa Aro, Itu Gadam Utalo Atuli, Saturday din consultative meeting with civil society organization Piren District Kotha Kurgina ZYON আজি Home Commissioner of Nagaland Luke Rubole program kuri thakia khobor dia ase. Press statement ZYON President R. John Zileng koi dia sabti organization khantu আজি Home Commissioner of Nagaland Kohima Punchigena kotha kurlobo aro Pimla murder issue আজি tak fesla kurbole na pargena ja thakia issue opor kotha kurlobo hulipi judi mitinti tai khan expectation kuri thakia nishna outcome anibole na par shekuli April 29 Kalibratu lightning ban across Piren district te rakhilo mokoi dia ase. Itu karni citizen of Piren aro alag district te thakya khan sob manubra support extended kurubole appeal kuri digina first phase of agitation ti kunpa government registered gari agitation guidelines wallet hwa karni sis kur digina thakya once agitation officially rukhijab cheti gari malik opor handover kuri dibole assured kuri dia ase aro judi second phase of agitation rakhibo koili coordination meeting with tribal bodies aro CSO of Piren district logina kotha kurbole koi dia ase ulipi aji home commissioner lukuratamti grievances issue resolve kurbole parbo koina dangor biswas kuri thakya jonai dia ase. Khoborte security force khantu region T Triton aro workers khan kidnap kuri thakya neutralization kurlobole karni operation ja thakya NSN angme outfit dujon murai digina alak dujon Saturday encounter Pangchau Eastern Arunachal Pradesh Longdin district ti jokhum kurdi shekoina report palya ase. Sources ti encounter operation rakhi thakya tuli construction workers dujon Friday rati militant khanbra thorilo ja shekoina khobor huni pa karni fisar bole jatu security forces khan achanak heavy armed militant group logina larai ulai jasha aro dujon murai digina operation ja thakya khobor pailoi ase aro alag details rukhiloi ase. Next khobote first edition of Nagaland Super League NSL kheli logina nearly ek moina hobole ase ulipi club khantu ajitak prize laga poisa receive na kurgina thakya khobor pailoi ase. Sob manbra jan thakya nishna April 1st tarik Chumokidima Football Stadium bra Barak FC 3-1 logina Nongtirok FC harai disha aro April 8 tarik NSL Award Night RCLMPA Hall Josomabra rakhilogina price structure total of 1 crore 20 lakh for championship Barak FC 16 lakh for Nongtirok FC aro 4 to 12 lakh remaining team individual award golden ball 3 lakh golden boot 1 lakh aro best goal rupees 50,000 inika announce kuri digena thakya report pailoi ase. Hulipi multiple sources ti individuals khantu cash prize na paigina award night rukhi thakya khali hat wapas kulo shikoi dia ase aro first action to lack of transparency from NSL management at kuri digina league te aha tuli profit karni na hoigina with patient and deserve to promote football karni thakshi ulipi charity aro timely support deserve ase koi digina club bisibra fairly pressure of future season karni publicly khara kurgena kotha ulawale na pargena thakya kunpa club khan laga statement pailoi ase. Itu response te NSL chairman and MLA Benny Lamtu koi dia sabti delay tuli payment dibole mon na thakya na hogina procedural issue karni hoi thakya koi disha aro district level te na hogina professional league hwa karni popur guidelines follow up kubole thakya issue miti iman time loi thakya koi disha aro kunpa franchise khantu award paigena paperwork submit kubole jonai dia pchete ita tak submit na kurgena thakya koi dia ase. Aro franchise complete hogina thakya khan ki dues clear kuri dishana nai itu opor hutia response ti NSL management khan ratu so purkina ikiloko phak kuri dibole program kuri thakya MLA bra NSL non payment amount opor ti formalities and paperwork karni delay hoi thakya statement kuri dia ase. Aro ekta developing khobor pai thakya sabti Nagaland Net Forum aro Combined Technical Association of Nagaland khantu Ja kali Sunday dinbra statement issue kuri digina innocent student of Southang College Tungsang connection of 147 contractual assistant professor case logina chukai dia opote strongly condemn kuri awas uthai dia ase. Joint statement released NNQF aro CTAN khan koi dia sabti contractual assistant professor once praised as backbone of college honorable minister of higher education Temjen Imna along koi dia khanbra mislead kurgina student leaders khan ki in support karni letter sign kurbole pressure kuri disha aro student khan ye thamkai digena thakya janibo parshe koi dia ase. Itu karni CTAN aro NNQF khanbra tu hatsa upote alag alag question uthai digena emotional and psychological harm of student koi dia ase aro peace of mind hatai digena academic focus rope kuri disha aro inika act of betrayal tuli fate of education system de mishamshi hoi thakya koi dia ase. CTAN aro NNQF khan pi student khan ki husa koi dia opor appreciate kuri digena state pitote illegal regularization of contractual assistant professor process of merit violation mock the aspiration of thousands of deserving qualified candidate corruption bra hatai thakya koi digena issue tuli college laga nohoi koi disha aro battle tuli source of education system future of youth karni dignity of fair and honest governance hobole lake koi dia ase. Itu karni hotai chipchap thakse koili future of children affect ho jabole thakan miti naga citizens sobra khara kugena against corruption against injustice aro future betrayal hatabole time ajai shikoina CTAN aro NNQF for support of student janipa hesab strongly condemn kugena awas uthai dia ase. Ministry of Defense Central Government Country misleading message WhatsApp platform ti Mishamshi donation India Army modernization aro murai dia jokhum paina thakya army khan nimiti ase koina with bank account circulate kuri thakya fake request ase koina jonai dia ase aro inika Mishamshi hatsabra dur rakhibole alert jankari dia ase. Message te proposal tuili cabinet kan bra decision rakhi logina actor Akshay Kumar bra main proponent ase koina claim kura ase aro wrong account details digena online donation mangi thakati na phashibole alert kri dia ase. Aro India Security Force BSF Jawan citizen of West Bengal guilty bra international border cross kri dia issue karni Pakistan Army khan bra thori rakhigina nearly 100 hours hojashi ulipi Pakistan Army khan bra tu wapas nakuri digina high level talk rakhi thakya khobor pailui ase. Sources te Pakistan Rangers khanbra thorgena thakya Purnam Sahu constable of 182 battalion identify kuri dia ase aro tai border area ti farmers khan logina kotha kuri thakya damti accidentally border cross hoja issue karni thori losheko ase aro constable tu with uniform service rifle thorgena thakya BSF khanbra tu flag meeting Pakistan Rangers khan logina tinbar kotha kuri loshulipi handover kurubole refuse kuri digina family khanbra to safety return karni chenda kuri thakya BSF officer khanbra khushish kura ase aro itia all India Pakistan border area sob jagati high alert kuri lusha aro field commander level tok rakhibole program kuri thakya report pailui ase. Education care Nagaland State Pitorti crisis face kurgina ja thaka report ti International University Nagaland formerly Global Open University ko thaka ti University Management khanbra tu teaching faculty members khan ki achanak student academic session char digina alag job nokri pisar lobole koi dishe ko na report pailui ase. Itu statement ani thaka tuli Tenmi Student Union Dimapur TSUD khanbra ja presenting press conference held kurgena International University Nagaland student side bra information pass up disclose kuri dia ase aro TSUD khan ki intervene kuri dibole request kuri dishe ko ase kili academic class disturb kuri thakan miti later paigena student khan tu pen down strike teaching faculty members khan bra in against of university management terminate service opor issue face kuri thakya koi dia ase. Aro issue opor later pass up TSUD khanbra tu complain collaborate kurbo karni university visit kurgina vice chancellor lukra tu student khan laga grievances already resolve kurlo she koi di sholipi student khan bra tu allegation koi dian miti TSUD khan University Employees Association khan lukra tu university management unilateral decision uthagina financial difficulties karni terminate gadam uthalo she koi dia ase khobor pa thake asapti terminating order kunba teachers khan ke uthai digina kunba ke tu alag job sar lobole koi di she ko ase aro claim kri thake asapti all employees association khan ra tu representation logina minister of higher education opor address kri di sholipi ita tak response na paina thaka khobor pa lu ase itu karni career of student dangor concern kri digina TSUD khan rapi higher education minister opor intervene krubo karni deri nalogina letter address kri dibo koi dia ase আজি karni iman te khatum kri dia ase aro notun update karni stay tuned kri thakbole itupi viewers khan ge koi dia ase